Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Permutations and Combination exercise 7.3 question number 3. Let's see the question. How many 3-digit even numbers can be made using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7? There is no 5 here if no digit is repeated. While writing the question, be very careful that there is no 5. It's a 3-digit number. Given information is an even number with the digits here. No digit is repeated, so there is no repetition in the digit. For the 3-digit number, let me draw 3 boxes, that is tens, hundreds, tens and ones. The given condition here is even number. What will be a even number? How we will find an even number? For the even number, the ones place should have a even numbers. It should have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If it is filled with 2, 4, 6, 8 with 0, then it will be an even number. That the all digits will be an even number. Here there are 3 even numbers here. 1, 2, 3 even numbers which can be filled with the ones place. Always write the condition first. Here the condition is the even number. So fill the even number condition. The ones place should be filled with the even number. For that we can write 2 here, 4 here or 6 here. So in 3 ways we can fill the even numbers. Now I can fill any number here. So if it can be in 3 ways because there are 2 here, 4 here and a 6 here. If I filled with 2 in this ones place, I can't write it here in this 2 numbers because no digit is repeated. So leaving this 2, I can fill the rest of the numbers which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 100 place can be filled in 5 ways, leaving 1 even number. And the tens place can be filled in 4 ways, leaving 2 numbers because we have filled 1 number here and 1 number here. So leaving 2 number, we can fill the tens place with 4 numbers. So these are the numbers, these are the number of ways which can be filled in single digit. Now for the total number of ways, total number of digits, it is 5 into 4 into 3. 5 4s are 20, 20 into 3 is, it is 60. So total number of ways is 60 for the third sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.